Welcome to this exciting tutorial on how to use the amazing AI feature in Photoshop Beta. In just few minutes, you'll learn how to harness the power of artificial intelligence to enhance your creativity and productivity like never before. Let's dive right in. Firstly, understand that this feature is only available on Photoshop Beta, so if you don't have one, you can get the free trial version on Adobe Creative Cloud. Here's a simple breakdown on how to download the Photoshop Beta. On your browser type, Creative Cloud Desktop Download. Open the first link you see. Click on Download Creative Cloud. After your download, open the Creative Cloud. I have already installed mine. Next, open your Creative Cloud app that you have installed. Search for Photoshop Beta. Click on Get the Photoshop Beta app. This will take you back to the Cloud app. When this is opened, you should see Install App. I have already installed mine, so you see here it says Open. Once you are done with this process, open your Photoshop Beta app, and let's get creative. To get started, open Photoshop Beta and create a new project or open an existing one. After opening your file or project, you can import or simply drag and drop your image into Photoshop. Once your image is ready, simply click on the selection tool to make a selection of the area you would like to work on. You can do a lot of things using this AI feature. In this video, I'll be adding a frame and cup to the picture. Let's get on with it. After making your selection, then go to the Generate option and type in what you would want to add. For some persons, you may find the Generative Fill option on the workspace of your screen, while for some, you may see it on the right side panel of your workspace like mine. You can follow my prompt for a practice. Once you're done typing what you would like to generate, click on the Generate option, and there you go. Your frame has been added successfully. You have the choice to continue generating until you see what you want or what best suits your design. You can be creative about it and choose the one that suits your look. Go ahead and make another selection on the table where you would like to add another object to, and follow the same step to generate a cup to the table. You may need to do some searching and playing around to get the right feature you're looking for, but hey, there's no limit to how far you can get in creating. You can also make selection anywhere you want it and add or remove whatever you want. It's as wide as your imagination. And there you have it. It's that simple. Congratulations! You've mastered the AI feature in Photoshop Beta. Now go ahead and unlock a whole new world of creativity using the power of artificial intelligence. Thanks for watching and happy Photoshopping!